Say hey. Oh. Cute.
It's not that cold out, so I'm not gonna come in that hot ass blanket.
Here we are, home.
My heart is racing.
Maggie.
Hi. Look what Mommy's got. Oh, come here.
That's Bubby.
No, you can't have him. Give him a kiss.
Kisses for Bubby.
You want to get on the couch and hold him? Yeah. That was cute. Get on the couch.
Get on the couch with Nanny.
Come here.
You gonna get on the couch? Or you gonna be on the couch?
Get on the couch, baby, so somebody can be near you.
And that way Mommy can grab you if she wants.
Hold him. What do you think? Is that your little brother?
That's Bubby.
Give him kisses.
Baby.
Can you give him kisses? Oh.
A puppy.
Yes, baby.
You're letting him get smushed.
Puppy.
Yeah.
Baby little.
You used to be that. No, you were never that little.
I got.
Here, hand it to me.
Do you want me to keep rolling?